In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export your customer list from Stripe. Let's start by opening the Stripe Customers page. You should already be on your Stripe dashboard, so go to your browser and open dashboard.stripe.com/customers. If the Customers page does not load automatically, click Customers in the left navigation menu. Once it loads, confirm that the page shows a table of customer profiles. Next, let's check the customer list you are about to export. Look just above the customer table for any active filter chips. If you want the full customer list, make sure no filters are currently active. On the other hand, if you only want a filtered export, leave the current filters in place before continuing. This matters because the export uses the customer list that is currently shown on the customers page. Now, let's open the export dialog. Click the export button in the upper right corner of the customers page. Wait a moment for the export dialog to appear on your screen. Now we will choose the export options. Inside the export dialog, click the date range drop-down. From the list of options, select all to include your full customer list in the export. Next, take a look at the time zone field. Leave it on the default setting unless your report specifically needs a different time zone. After that, click the columns drop-down. From this menu, select all columns to make sure you get the most complete customer list possible. Once your date range, time zone, and columns are set the way you want them, click the Export button in the bottom right corner of the dialog. Now let's confirm the CSV download. Wait a few moments for Stripe to finish preparing and generating the export. Once it is ready, look for the downloaded CSV file in your browser downloads area, usually at the bottom of the window or in your downloads folder. Open the CSV file to confirm that it contains the customer rows and the columns you selected during the export. At this point, your customer list has been successfully downloaded from Stripe as a CSV file. The file will contain the customer rows that matched your current customer's page filters, along with all the columns you selected inside the export dialog. You can now use this file for finance work, migration planning, or importing into another tool. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and exported your customer list from Stripe.